she's probably gonna blow up in your kitchen or in your garage.
Venormous coming to you, bringing you beard product reviews and losing weight on a keto diet. Watch my journey and I know you'll wanna try it. Comment, like, subscribe, and share before you go. It's time to start the Venormous Show.
Hey y'all, my name's Trappy. Asked my cousin Venormous if I could use the channel again. He said yeah, because you know how I like to teach y'all stuff. Well, today I'm going to teach y'all how to make wine. If you ain't 21, get the hell out of here. Bye. Bye. Get on out of here. You're not 21, get out of here. Alright, now that we only got 21 and ups, I want to teach y'all how to make wine. I got this recipe from a fella YouTuber. It's called Doing It Cheap. I'll probably have Venormous put some around my head. A lot of people look around like that's my head. Alright, well, I got it from him. He sings that song, I love it. He got that good, I don't buy new cars, I don't buy brand name, I go to Goodwill for my clothes.
I like to save money, I like to find bargains, it's the life I chose.
Bars. Well, he sings that song and he teaches y'all how to make wine. His YouTube videos are pretty popular, so I'm going to teach you my 3 ways. He only teaches you one way. I'm going to teach you 3 ways how to make wine, and so this is how I do it. Whatever, you can do it this way if you want to. So I'm going to put these to the side down here. I'm going to get them later. This is my spit bowl. This is because you got to pour some out of here. So the first way I like to make wine, this ain't the Trappy way. I mean, this is the Trappy way because it's all my ways. But this ain't the PAWPAW way. You gotta take this and open it up. You gotta make sure your juice ain't got nothing special in there that's gonna kill the yeast. And you like that. Then I just take a little bit of this juice on top, dump it out right there. That's all you gotta do. Take a little bit, then you get yourself some yeast. I ain't got a scooper or nothing like that. They tell you how much to use. You take this, you just dump some on in there. Just a little bit like that. Just a little bit. You go ahead and shake that up right there real good. Learned that from my bar days, the way I shake out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, just 8. That way there ain't no more water in there than you need. You take that right there, you go ahead and listen to it talk to you. Psst. Is it talking to you? You ain't got to use no balloons. It's going to talk to you like that. It's going to give you a mild alcohol. Something you could just drink to take the edge off. Next thing, I'm going to show you exactly how PAWPAW shows you. You get yourself a juice right here, and you take yourself and you open that up. Then what he says to do is you take yourself a beer stein, whatever. I use my mason jars because Mama got these around the house all the place, and you pour out about 16 ounces right there. You can give that to children or whatever you want to do. You don't give the liquor to children, you give this. You dump it out in the spit bucket right there, because I don't know where that's going to go. Next thing you do is you take yourself some sugar and you get yourself about 1.5 cups of this sugar. I bet y'all can't tell where I went to get all this stuff, huh? Alright, you take yourself that much, you give yourself about 1.5 cups of, that's the funnel, I'm going to use that in a second, and you take yourself about 1.5 cups of sugar. Right there, up. Let's see, that's about 2 cups. Pour some back. Don't be afraid to pour some back in the jug. You ain't. Right there, 1.5 cups. You're good to go. Up. Almost dropped it. Take yourself your funnel, dump that right on in there like that. It's gonna almost fill up on you. You wanna shake it real good and agitate it. So, I'm gonna do some shaking, some baking. Shake that up until you ain't seen no more sugar in there. And then you take your yeast. I'm going to add a little bit more yeast. He says to add about you 1/2 tablespoon, whatever you want to add. You know, the least, you just add yourself a good amount of yeast in there. Dribble it in there. I got this from that big box store. They got them bins that everybody touches. Yeah, got it right there. I just add some. That's probably way too much. But you want to add about a teaspoon. Then you're going to agitate it some more. Right there. And you agitate that some more. Get some air in there. Let her talk at you.
I heard you were talking to another
Right
wine.
there, till she's talking. There you go. Now you got yourself a medium wine. This is going to give you about 12 to 20%, depending on how you like to drink. Next one. This one's special. Ain't nobody on the internet got this one. I call this the mother-in-law wine. You got yourself one of them mother-in-laws that's yakety, yakety, yakety.
Don't talk back.
Mine's not like that. You just take yourself and pour a little bit out. You ain't really got to measure it. You just want to pour some out of there. Because you know, when sugar eats yeast, when yeast eats sugar, that's what gives you your alcohol. So you're going to want to dump out a bunch of that. I probably should have took this label off a little bit before I did this, before I showed you all this. But see right here, it's good amount. Right there, you're going to want to dump, hold on. We want to dump some out right there. This is what I call mother-in-law wine. You take that, you put your funnel right on there. Yeast plus sugar equals alcohol. So you're gonna go ahead and just give yourself some right in there. That's what you want right there. You want that sugar in there. You're gonna give it a bunch. You're gonna give it just yep. You want the alcohol. Remember, want that alcohol. That might be enough. You know what? Here, it's a mother-in-law drink. You're gonna add more. We want that sugar in there. You want that all in there. Fill that up there. It's gonna give you a good amount. You don't want to waste any of this here. Let's put that all in there. Let's get that all in there like that. And then, like I said earlier, you're gonna want to shake this up. It's gonna give you a little taste of alcohol right there. You want to drink this whenever the mother-in-law comes over. You won't even remember her being there, you know. She comes over, visits at 5 o'clock, you drink some of this till 5:10, and the next thing you know, you don't even remember she came. So you take that, like I said, put that funnel back on there. You know, you're gonna need this to work, so you're gonna wanna put some yeast in there to fight that sugar off. And once again, put that there, start shaking. Oh yeah, it's some good stuff. It's thick. When that yeast fighting that sugar, it's gonna sip it all up there. They're gonna battle, they're gonna fight, but they're gonna make you some mother-in-law juice. Like I said, you ain't even gonna remember when she comes. You gotta make sure this really just leave this lid off. Don't even listen to her talk to you. Just leave this lid off, because if you don't, she's probably gonna blow up in your kitchen or in your garage or on your porch, wherever you keep that stuff. And just let it sit there. You're gonna let it sit for a couple months, probably 1 to 2 months. This one, it's gonna sit around for a month. This one will be done in like a week. Remember, this is like it's already starting to do its thing. Right there, this one, like I said, this is the low alcohol. This is about 4 or 5%. This is going to get you in about a week. This is probably going to take you about a month. Remember, shake it up the first couple days if you want to. Let it talk to you. This one is going to give you like 80% alcohol. You just chug it once you hear, well, hey honey, mama's coming over. You just grab this bottle. I'm going to put the lid on for testing purposes right here. And you're just going to turn this sucker upside down. And drink as many as you can. Wash her down with the bush latte if you want to, but just drink this as fast as possible and you won't even remember your mother-in-law coming over. Well, I just wanted to show you how to make some wine, how to do that. That's thick. And let me know in the comments if you have your own mother-in-law remedy. And I'll see you in the next video.
The Enormous is bringing you beer product reviews, fast chugging food challenge.